This powerful homemade toothpaste helps cavities, gum disease and whitens teeth naturally. We are going to show you how to make the most effective homemade toothpaste which will help you whiten your teeth in all natural way. This homemade toothpaste is very easy to make, safe and extremely effective. Note, this is also very important for you to know. You'll need to make some lifestyle changes. You should consume foods that contain high amounts of vitamin D and vitamin K2, full fat milk, chicken, cream and grass-fed butter. These foods will improve the health of your teeth. Then you should practice oil pulling in the morning for 15 minutes 3 times per week. We also highly recommend flossing your teeth every night before you go to sleep. And make sure you avoid consuming refined white sugar and sugary stuff. This amazing homemade toothpaste is very useful and effective in removing stains from your teeth. It will whiten your teeth and might even help you with early decays. This homemade toothpaste is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 15 drops of mint essential oil or aroma, 1 tablespoon of neem powder, 1 tablespoon of xylitol for better taste. Directions: here's what you need to do. In a small container, combine all ingredients until you make a paste. Store the paste in a glass jar since coconut oil may harden depending on the outside temperature. How to use it: you should use this natural toothpaste as any regular toothpaste at least 3 times on a daily basis. Definitely it will whiten your teeth, heal cavities and treat gum disease.